Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to create tasks and lists and notes on your Google Home device like that one. That's just a little smart Lenovo Smart Clock. However, really what we're going to show you is how to transfer that information from the voice assistant to the phone, like that one that you're looking at probably right now. Because strangely, it's not built in. You'd think it is, but it isn't. So we'll show you how to do that. So firstly, let's go through and give you a few tips. An awful lot of people don't know that you can
use your voice to give your Google Home smart speaker tasks, lists, and notes.
So let's do it right now. Okay, Google, create a list called Christmas 2026.
All right, I made a list called Christmas 2026.
Sweet. Okay, Google, add Fiona gets a world trip to the list Christmas 2026.
Okay, I added Fiona gets a world trip to the list called Christmas 2026.
Now, if you use the word and, it'll actually create two entries in your list. So you got to be careful with that. So if you do something like, okay, Google, add Roger Fleming's gets a Ryobi 40 amp blower plus a battery to the list Christmas 2026.
All right, I added those three things to the list called Christmas
2026.
See,
when I used the word plus and I used the word and, it created separate entries. Okay, Google, delete Roger Fleming's from the list Christmas 2026.
Sure, I deleted Roger Fleming's gets a Ryobi 40 amp blower.
There you go. Okay, let's show you how to create a task. Okay, Google, create a task called cut the grass.
Got it, cut the grass. When do you want to be reminded?
I would like to be reminded in July 23rd at 4 p.m.
All right, on July 23rd, 2026 at 4 p.m. What's the title?
Cut the grass, Ian.
Okay, I'll remind you on July 23rd, 2026 at 4 p.m.
Pretty cool, huh? Okay, Google, take a note.
All right, what do you want it to say?
Don't forget to plug in all of the Ryobi batteries in the spring before the winter ends so they're ready for me to cut the grass and blow the leaves and all the other crap I've got to do.
Saved your note.
See, so lists are lists, tasks have specific dates set to them, and notes are just loose notes. So you get the idea. It's pretty straightforward, but here's the catch. Let's take that information from the Google Home smart device and move it to your phone because, like I said, it isn't obvious.
Okay, so now I'm over to my phone. In my case, it's a Samsung S25, and you'd think you just go to Google Home. So let's do that, because surely that's where this stuff is. And I'm going to tell you, no, it is not. So you can look through here till your brain bleeds. It's not there. So how do you find your notes? Well, you've got to install a little app called Keep. Go to your store, Play Store in my case, click search at the bottom, and then at the top, type in Keep. And you will see, of course, the first result is that sponsored one, which is absolutely no good. We're looking for Google Keep. So just click install on that, and install, and open. It needs permissions. Yeah, sure, that's fine. And yes, it can send me notifications because that's kind of the entire point. And look, here's the stuff that we had, right? There's our list. I could double click on it. I could add more to it. I could check things, you know, I could uncheck things. You get the idea. In addition, I could create the more lists and notes and texts and comments using the little plus at the bottom. So let's create another list called Real Christmas. And in here I'll put Fiona $1 million. For those of you who are old enough to know what that means. Anyway, whatever, you get the idea. Right? And boom, it's there. Now let's go look at one of my other Google Home devices.
This is actually a Lenovo model, but again, it doesn't make any difference. Let's just prove that what I just added in the Google Keep app shows up here. Okay, Google, show me my lists.
You have two lists. They're Christmas 2026 and Real Christmas.
You have two things on that list.
Pretty cool,
They're
eh?
Fiona $1 million
All right, so
and
you get the idea. It's pretty easy.
And you can also get to Notes on a PC or a Mac just through the browser. Just go to keep.google.com. Bingo. You can drill into any of these and delete or make whatever changes you want as well. It's pretty handy. Now let's go back to our phone. Let's get the keep icon on the homepage. So I'm just going to swipe down to search and then do a search. Well, there's keep right there at the top left, and then add to home. And then I'm going to drag it with my finger to the place I'd like it to be. Doesn't need to be there, but I want it on the desktop. So the last thing we'll show you is how to migrate from Samsung Notes to Google Keep Notes, which is totally optional. You do not have to do this, but I just don't want to use 5 different note programs. So if I'm going to go from Samsung Notes to Google Keep Notes, is there a way to migrate the existing Samsung Notes? Yeah, pretty straightforward. Click on your notes, pick this one, which is just a list of names. And I'm going to go down to Share at the bottom and select Text File. And Keep will show up somewhere along the bottom here. You can see there it is, Keep Notes. There it is. And Save. And I could click View, but what I'm going to do is go over to my Keep Notes and you'll see, boom, it just got added in, right? And I'll do that with my other notes. And let's go to my Keep Notes. Boom, there they are. And there's just a couple of little things left to note before we go, which is at the top you can see you can search, but I don't need to search for this one, but you could if you wanted. You could also change the layout, which is kind of nice just by pressing the squares at the top. You could also change the sort order, custom date created, whatever. So that's about all you need to know about how to create lists, tasks, and notes on your Google Home devices using voice and the app. So hey, this was completely unsponsored, so if you find the video useful, a big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also always appreciated, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can always leave a question or comment below, because on YouTube, if we don't answer you, somebody else will, because they've always got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.